Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time. And so I do hope you consider subscribing to my Tea Party if you find my videos helpful, fun, and creative. So in today's video, I'll be flipping through the Happy Planner recipe collection, and I have here the companion pack. Also have the accessory book and the sticker book, all recipes. And so I want to go ahead and flip through each of these items so you can kind of see what all it comes with these. So I'm going to first flip through this sticker book. It is a 30-page sticker book, and we're going to check out all 1,282 stickers that is in this sticker book. Amazing. So if you enjoyed some of these items in this sticker book, it can be found at Michael's or JoAnn's. So let's go ahead and see all the goodies in the inside. So one of the things that I noticed when I first opened this up was this nice illustrative full boxes of like lifelike fruits and vegetables. Well, actually fruits, I'm sorry. And the rose gold foiling on these. These are beautiful. And then you get some of these quote stickers that says, thankful people who love to eat are always the best people. Hello. All right. And then we get some more of these quote stickers. Says, squeeze the day. We get some grocery list here in different colorful boxes. Also get some grocery lists in this rose gold foil. Like that will really stand out. And then we get weekly staples. You can actually use this for whatever. You don't have to use it just for like meal planning or like grocery list. You can just use it for things that you want to get done. So I love the versatility of this. And this sticker book is also like meal planning or meal prepping stickers as well, because you get your gluten-free, you get your sugar-free, your vegetarian, vegan, low carbs, slow cooker, these types of little sayings and quotes and kid friendly. I personally got this sticker book because I do have the recipe planner, and I use that to keep all of my recipes, our favorite recipes. And so, you know, coming up with these nice little stickers to just have something that's kid friendly, that the kids can kind of cook and do on their own, is good to have a notation of that. So these are some weekly menu in different colors in here. Just sets you up for just meal prepping and all of that. So here are your meal plans, your change of plans, takeout stickers, circular stickers, celebrate. Ooh, and these mason jars, you guys, I love it. It says, love this, family favorite, life is sweet, eat well, favorite recipe. Oh, then you get your kitchen utensils. How cute is that? These are clear stickers. And then you get your measuring cups, your spoons, your milks. Those are also clear stickers. Look at these eggs. I mean, yeah, eggs, avocados, tomatoes. Look at these vegetables, you guys. All of these are clear stickers. Aren't they like lifelike? This like jump at you, like bam. Ooh, look at that. Bell peppers. Yes. So here, I love this one. So this says recipe review, and you can review it with the stars, and you can write if you love it, what you would change. And then you get favorite recipe on here with like some rainbow background. And then these are just like some little borders or headers here. And you get more here with different colors. And then you can get like a checklist box, or you can get like, this could be where you can write down your different steps for different ingredients. And then you get some more of these checklist boxes in this rose gold foil that I think is just amazing. And then you get some more new menu, dinner with family. You get some bullet points and some icons here, some little flags. Yeah, these are cute. And then you get them all in this same, the foil color. Yeah. So that is it for this sticker book. Like I said, this sticker book is here to make sure any and all of our foodie and recipe notes stick out with color and fun. So moving on to the accessory book. Yes, this accessory book is so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys. Now, this sticker book is made for the classic, I believe, and it comes in 1,129 pieces, and we're going to check all of that out. This accessory book can be found at Michael's and JoAnn's as well. Now, this accessory book does have your sticky notes here on the side. So you get different sticky notes of that, and then you get like your little shopping list on the side. So I do love that too. And you get stickers. Like, this is a jam-packed accessory book, okay? So we get some of these pages, again, illustrative little pictures here of just like a breakfast item. You get your soups and just your tacos, and oh my gosh, like, this is about to make me hungry. You get your little shopping list here, and you get it in this rose gold. It is so cute. You get flag stickers here. I'm just loving it. This really is the perfect add-on for your recipe notebook, or if you have the recipe planner. I just love it. Again, like I said, it has the sticky notes, you have your notepads, and you get the stickers to just jazz up your recipe planning and just make it stand out. Like, look at those avocados. Oh my goodness. These are so, so cute. Now, the avocados and these strawberries are clear stickers. I just love this. It's so cute. You can get your eggs, and then you get like a nice little quote in the centerpiece there. So cute. Oh, and these are like cleaning days, deep clean your kitchen, dishes, clean your stove. So these can be like your kitchen cleaning items. I am definitely going to be using these stickers. And look at these cute little like watercolor appliances. Well, that's what I call it. Look at these little stove and refrigerators. How cute is that? Look at this. Oh, these are so cute. And then you get some checklist boxes here. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. You can get your little, and then you can also like put in your little filler paper, and then add these little tags or tabs to maybe notate just a special recipe that you want to add in here. And then you can use these numbers as like step-by-step ingredients and directions. You get it in the rose gold. You get some more of these little flag stickers in different colors. These say dates. These would be good if you want to just kind of notate some of your items that are about to expire, and you can put the expiration dates on these. So this is amazing, you guys. Again, this accessory book is a perfect add-on. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did pick this up, because I was contemplating if I should get this. So that was the flip through of the accessory book. I hope you enjoyed that. And so now we are getting to the fun part, the companion pack. I think it will be complete once you get the companion pack, you guys. Oh my goodness. So we're going to open her right on up. Okay. I mean, we're just going to tear it open. I love it because you get that nice little bracelet there. I have been collecting the charms actually off of those. So that's just one of my addictions that I have now, is just collecting those bracelets. But I haven't gone too wild. So we're going to take a look. We have a little sneak peek on the back as to what all comes in the inside. So we're going to try to, or I'm going to try to go ahead and show those to you as well. So I hope you are still sticking around. All right. So we get this intentional bracelet here that comes with this. And that's what I love. And so you get intentions bracelet. And then you get this nice little folder here that says good food, good mood. And you get some rose gold foiling on there, like a confetti. So cute and vibrant. Look at the back of that. Yes. Ooh. So opening it right on up. Yes. We're going to go through each of these items. Okay. All right, so let's see. I always try to decide which one I want to do first. I guess it doesn't matter. So we're going to go ahead and start with this. So you're going to get 20 recipe cards. And so that's how it looks. And yeah, so this would be great. I normally don't use recipe cards. But I think it'd be good to use these recipe cards to share with some of my friends and family. If I just want to just share my recipe, I can just write it on this card and mail it as like a postcard and put like a nice little quote and put it in an envelope or something. That's what I'm thinking. Next up is this. This is a magnet that you can put on your fridge. Yeah, it's a wet erase board. Yeah, that's what it is. I may use this as well, or I may just end up gifting that to my mom, because I really don't put anything on my fridge right now. So I may use that. I may not. I don't know. All right. So moving right along, let's pull these bad babies out. So right now, this one, is that a stick to? Okay. So right here, we are going to get, this is a grocery list pad, and it has 20 half sheets on here. So that's good too, because as I'm writing down my grocery list, you can see the back there. It is a long list. So this is really like one page that I can actually use for my grocery list. And let's actually go ahead and pop that in and put it into my planner bag and utilize it for that. So yeah. So then we get 3 illustrated dividers. And so as you can see, like I said, these are very illustrated and very lifelike. And so that's the front and the back. And then this is the second divider. And then that's the back as well. And then this is the third divider, the front and then the back. Or is that the back and then that's the front? I think I have it upside down. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So I will believe that that would be the front and then that would be the first one would be the back. So yeah, so that's what all comes in the inside of that accessory companion pack. I'm sorry. So you can actually use this to create your own. If you're thinking about maybe creating, but you don't want to get the recipe planner, you can actually get this companion pack and use some Happy Planner Happy Notes, and then use those dividers to divide up whatever you want those different sections to be and create this. So I think if you want to do that, you can. If you just want to add in your own pages, you can also do that as well. But you can do so much with this planner companion pack as well if you don't want to get the accessory book. Now, with all of this set, you do not get the recipe planner. These are just these add-ons and the accessory book and the companion pack. So I hope you guys enjoy me flipping through this recipe collection from the Happy Planner. I hope that you saw something in here that you love and maybe want to add to your collection, because I will be doing the same as well. Again, the recipe sticker book is available at Michael's and JoAnn's, and the recipe accessory book is also available at Michael's and JoAnn's, and the recipe companion pack is also available at JoAnn's. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys enjoy my flip throughs and enjoy this video. And if you are new to my tea party, hello and welcome again. I hope that you found this video helpful, fun, and creative. And I hope that you would consider subscribing to my tea party. So make sure you hit that the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload another video, and that you can stay tuned for more upcoming videos and more flip throughs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will catch you guys at the next one.